Yo, what is good, YouTube? I owe y'all a YouTube video. And look, we got snow, man. I'm about to try to drive my car out here. We bought a tent. I can't see not a thing. Look at my little snowman. I'm probably not even gonna be able to get out. This rear wheel drive is no joke. Whew. Man. Don't worry about all of this. We got CarPlay coming in here, so don't worry about that. I know I owe y'all a video, so. Ooh. I owe y'all a video, so I'm trying to get y'all a nice little video. You see, we got this going on and everything. Oh yeah, we can't do that. Let me turn this down. Okay, cool. Change the windshield wipers and everything. We finna be active soon. I'm gonna try to drift for y'all if I can even get the car out of the snow. If I'm just spinning, then we're just gonna leave it where it is. But I'm gonna let the car warm up for a little bit and I'm gonna get back. All right. Oh, you about to try it? Let's do it. You just gotta have faith. You gotta have faith. Got this. We freaking got this. If I can get out of here, we chill. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nah, if I go down there, I might not be able to get back up. Hold on, let me see if I can reverse. Oh, we can reverse. Oh, we might be chill. Oh, we lit. Oh. Oh, now we're cooked. We're cooked. Oh, yeah, we're cooked. We're cooked. Oh, 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 we're cooked. We're cooked. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, we're cooked. Oh, yeah, we're cooked. We're cooked for sure. We're not getting back up. You ready? Yo, unfortunately. Am I going? Come on. Come on. Y'all, we did get stuck, unfortunately. This the rear wheel drive. Perks of having a rear wheel drive. You know, you gotta shovel out. You got a long way up the hill. Oh, this is terrible. We almost there. We done went in the ditch a couple of times. This is, you gotta get cardboard. This is atrocious. Rear wheel drive is not for the snow, man. We should have went with the all-wheel drive package, the X-Drive package. Lord. Santa iced out. The car looking good though. Car looking good. That's all that matters. learned the lesson. You see, we still gonna have to, I gotta go to school soon. We're cooked. We're cooked. So I'm just shoveling. And that's all she wrote. You know, my mom just told me my car just for looks, man. Can't even get through the snow, bro. That's terrible. That is so sad. But I hope y'all enjoyed the little snowy laughter, you feel me? Hope y'all had a great New Year's. Enjoy the snow, go outside and play. Yo, what is good, YouTube? I know I owe y'all a video. It's been well overdue once again. And right now I'm finna do a little cruise. We just finna drive out, you know what I'm saying? With a Camry SE. I'm just gonna give y'all a little POV drive. Nothing crazy. Probably gonna be quiet, ain't gonna really be talking that much maybe. But y'all see I got the CarPlay installed. Everything lit, fresh, clean, you know what I'm saying? So the content's only up from here, bro. Let's get into the video.
was slick with his lights turned off. That's entrapment, bruh. That's entrapment.
It sounded like something was wrong. No? Is that our people?
Nah, that's just some random strangers.
I mean, I thought niggas had some idea.
Alright, YouTube. Hope y'all enjoyed the little short video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna have a real POV cruise drive with that Camry SC over there. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna drop another video next week. We gotta stick to the schedule. We about to hit 500 subscribers, so we gotta lock in.